welcome back to Lifey's Family. We are Lifey's Family.
I am Dan.
I'm Demand the Savage.
I'm Sunshine, your favorite.
I'm Erin.
Today we're going to be reacting to Types of Burps by Jordindian.
Types of birds?
Burps. I said burps.
Oh, burps. Like
P.
burp. Like that?
I'm a little nervous about this. Sometimes burps sound barfy and it makes my tummy hurt.
I can't deal with that.
I was actually drinking a Sprite this morning I was watching a movie, so I drank a Sprite, and I accidentally burped really loudly.
You did? So, who can, let's make the faces that they're making on the thumbnail. That makes his face a lot lit. Okay, or this.
I don't think I make a face when I burp.
Or this.
I go like,
Oh.
I don't go.
Pretty good. So, should we check this out?
Yes.
Here we go.
The guessing game.
Throw grenade. You throw grenade.
Ew.
Yeah, bro. How did you know? Okay, guess what it's
Ew.
Chicken kebab.
Okay, keep guessing. Drums of heaven. Chicken manchurian.
Oh my gosh, I can't even.
Open butter masala dosa. Malai tikka. Fried chicken momos. Pal, Shivaji Nagar. Okay, guess what I have?
I feel like I can smell it.
You had veg biryani. Who has veg biryani? You go play with Dinesh. I'm not playing.
You go play with Dinesh. You don't play with me.
I like how they're just pressing random buttons.
Armageddon.
Shut.
Oh, there's gonna be big burp.
Yeah, that's my boy.
A big
No, it's
one.
going to be like a light.
No, it's gonna be a big one.
But what? That's it. I know. Usually it's a lot more.
Wow.
More like it.
That is hilarious. Trapped. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
He's going to burp again.
Oh my goodness.
He's clicking the button.
Oh.
I can't watch anymore. I have to stop.
Silent
Oh,
but
thank goodness.
violent.
Silent but violent. I've never even heard that before.
He just blew it on him. He just blew it on him.
That is terrible.
The Hitman.
A fancy hitman.
Target on side. Take the shot. They don't call me the best in the business for nothing. I'm taking the shot.
What? It's like 2 blocks away. Look, it just blew the.
This is the travel path of the bird?
Yes.
Oh, I'm like, what is happening?
Yes.
It went through the vehicle.
Here it comes. Right to him. Look at him. Ah! Got him.
Nice.
Got him like a knife in the back. He's out.
Imagine how weird that would be filming that in public.
On the street. The last burp bender.
See, you cannot watch it.
Mysterious.
What was this one?
Mysterious.
Huh?
Scared.
I know, it is scary. Hold me, Sunshine.
Oh my gosh.
Creepy.
It's just behind him.
He's got a weapon.
I would scream.
A bat. Or like a piece of bread. I don't know. Hit him.
His uncle.
ಬೇರೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಅಲ್ವಾ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಮಲ್ಕೋ ತಾಯಿರಿ
You get a cricket bat.
Always eating.
That's the weirdest burp ever.
The hidden talent.
They're gonna sing the ABCs burping.
Thing, you know what I mean?
Oh no. No. No.
Let me call you back.
Ugh, that is revolting.
I wouldn't even know that was burping.
He just sampling
Yo,
it.
Skrill.
Skrillex.
Yeah, I think we just found the next big thing. We're gonna call it dubstep.
They're just saying dubstep, all it is just some dude burping
Burping.
and Bruce resampling it.
It's like there's lots.
Ah, Dad, that is so funny.
Wonderful. That being said,
Wow.
video, share, subscribe, hit that bell icon so that you can get notified immediately. Check out yourfavoritelabs.com. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Wow, wow.
Hold on. This wasn't in there. Right? I would name this the contest. Oh.
Go back to what you're doing.
Awkwardly back to what they were doing. No.
Start over.
No.
They're like little.
This guy is so funny.
That was the grossest thing I've ever seen. Ew. Okay. I'm gonna try not to throw up while I listen to which one is your favorite. So Sunshine, which one was your
I'm just
favorite?
gonna say something. Some of them sounded so disgusting. I could almost smell them.
Yes. I think I fanned my face at one point.
And then it's like it's blowing in my face.
That was Daddy.
So Sunshine, which one was your favorite?
And whenever they're stuck.
The elevator one?
Yeah, and he's like, it was.
No.
My
I kept
God.
blaming the other guy.
Click, 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 click. Hurry, 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 hurry.
Is that what you would do if you were in the elevator with someone that didn't stop burping? Button, button, button.
Yes.
Button. Yeah.
I'd be like, I would get out of a gas mask and I would be like, okay, don't breathe in, don't breathe in.
Big man, what'd you think?
My favorite part was the hidden talent. Where they go, it's just like beatboxing but with burps.
Mine too.
It's burp boxing.
Mine too. I liked that they sampled it and turned it into dubstep. I mean, who knew that that's where dubstep came from? It's a whole entire industry, like a whole music genre, like wrapped around some dude's burp. Who knew? I mean, I like it, right? Way to go, dude.
That is an interesting connection that they made there.
I like it. I think it's pretty funny.
My favorite
Mom is a fan of some EDM music,
Yeah.
and she likes some dubstep. That's why she wasn't laughing.
It's not as funny to me.
It was definitely funny.
I'm a little bit
Dad.
offended.
She's hurt. She's hurt right now.
I'm not offended.
She's triggered.
I
Dad.
don't know what y'all are talking about.
But I think the least gross one was my favorite, which would be the last burp bender, I think.
Where he,
where
like-
he had it and it was like a green
threw it?
like
Oh, yeah.
smog, and then he threw it over the bushes and it hit the other guy and he fell down. That was
He,
That'd be
he,
so
like just tossed it up in the air.
Oh, the
yes,
sniper
he had
one
all
was good,
kinds of
too.
tricks of throwing it around.
The sniper one was good though too. He like
I was confused.
shot it for like 5 blocks
Yeah,
and hit him in the back. That was pretty good.
yeah, I didn't understand what's going on. I think you have to be a boy. Did you understand what was going on? Oh, you did. It was just me then. So now that you've heard what we thought about this video, we would love to hear from you. Unfortunately, YouTube turned off our comments. So please find us on Instagram and leave us all your thoughts there. And then come back to YouTube and watch some more videos with us. Bye.
Bye. Make sure you do your daily dab, ting tong. 3, 2, 1, go!
I'm scared for
Not excited about having people watch me.
So who won the challenge?
me.
Me.